It's no secret that 24/7 YouTube live streams have been an instant success in generating a following as well as passive income. You're probably wondering, well, how do I get started? In this video, I'll be explaining the full step-by-step process on how to set up a 24/7 live stream for your YouTube channel. With that being said, let's get started. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, create a YouTube account for your channel. Step 2. Set up a live streaming account. In order to stream live video, you'll need to have a live streaming account with YouTube. Go to your YouTube account settings and click on Create a Channel. Follow the instructions to set up your live streaming account. Step 3. Next, go to obubble.com. If you don't already know, obubble.com is a website that provides dedicated service for purchase. Go with the gold plan as it has the most to offer for the best price. Step 4. Log into your new server. The OBubble team will email you a link to your new server, and the OBS Studio should already be installed on it. Step 5. Make a Dropbox account. Dropbox is a cloud storage software, and this will be a crucial step in the process as you will upload your completed videos to this cloud. Then after the upload process is complete, go into your server and log into your newly created Dropbox account. From there, you will download your video from Dropbox into the server's files. Step 6. Upload the video you want to stream. Choose one of the videos you downloaded and upload it to OBS Studio. Be sure to click the loop option when prompted. This will ensure your video will continuously run. Step 7. Connect your streaming software to YouTube. In your YouTube live streaming account, click on Stream Now and copy the stream key. In your streaming software, go to Settings and paste the stream key into where it is necessary. This will ensure your video is connected to your YouTube account. Step 8. Start your stream. Once you've set up your stream, click on the Start Streaming button in your streaming software to begin broadcasting. Make sure to test your stream to ensure it's working properly. Then go to your YouTube channel and click Go Live. Step 9. Interact with your audience. One of the benefits of live streaming is the ability to interact with your audience in real time. Make sure to monitor your stream and respond to any comments or questions from viewers. Secret tip: it is important to note that if you right click on OBS Studios and click Open, you can create a duplicate of your previous stream. From there, you can repeat the process by uploading a new video, and essentially you will have two separate live streams. With these steps, you can set up a 24/7 YouTube live stream and potentially earn passive income while growing your channel. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.